So, you just moved out your parents' house, but you don't know how to cook. I got you. Welcome to my new series, Takeout Chronicles, where I'm gonna show you how to make some of my favorite classic takeout dishes from the comfort of your own home, but for a fraction of the cost. Today's episode is gonna be my favorite, orange chicken. I've been through it for about the past week or so, but I'm back and I'm better than ever, sorta. I am in pain. In our bowl, we got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We're just gonna hit that with some soy sauce, some fresh garlic, get out of there, ginger paste, and the seasonings on screen. Now after that, you can just mix it all up together. And for the best results, you're gonna wanna marinate this overnight. However, I was able to get a lot of flavor by just marinating it for an hour. So it's entirely up to you. For our sauce, in a hot saucepan, we're gonna start with some soy sauce, some white vinegar, orange juice, and a good bit of brown sugar. And now to get your sauce to have that perfectly thick and shiny consistency that we're used to with Asian sauces, we're gonna add what's called a cornstarch slurry, which is just 1 part water to 1 part cornstarch. You're gonna add it bit by bit while continuously stirring your sauce until it thickens up. We're gonna finish it with some white sugar, some honey, and some orange zest. And before we fry our chicken, we're gonna hit it with 1 egg. Now you're gonna add some cornstarch and thoroughly mix that all together. Now the frying portion is the most important part. In order to get perfectly crispy chicken, we're gonna do what's called double frying. First, you're gonna bring your oil up to about 325 degrees and fry your chicken for about 1 minute. After that, you're gonna take the chicken out and crank the temperature up to about 340 degrees and fry it again for another 2 minutes. After that, you should have perfectly crispy and crackly chicken. We're just gonna toss it in our sauce and serve it over some fluffy steamed white rice. Now, if you're one of those people who run into issues making rice like I used to, don't fret, just hang around and I'll be dropping another video pretty soon teaching you how to make perfectly steamed white rice. Now, if you enjoyed this video today and you learned something, I would really appreciate it if you could just leave a like and subscribe in order to catch the next episode of Takeout Chronicles.